the universal pulse. Why nature seems to beat at 2 rhythms per second across the vast diversity of life on Earth, nature appears to share a secret, rhythmic heartbeat. From the rhythmic flashing of fireflies in the Great Smoky Mountains to the driving beat of a pop song on the radio, a surprising number of biological signals cluster around it. Single tempo, approximately 2 beats per second, 2 Hz. Recent research suggests that this isn't a coincidence, but rather a fundamental biological carrier frequency that helps organisms communicate more effectively. From coincidence to scientific discovery, the investigation began with a seemingly random observation in Thailand. Mathematician Guy Amike of Northwestern University noticed that the light pulses of fireflies appeared to be perfectly synchronized with the chirping of nearby crickets. However, upon closer inspection, the researchers discovered something far more profound. The animals were not actually communicating with each other. Instead, each species was performing its own independent mating ritual, yet they were both instinctively choosing the same tempo. To test if this was a universal pattern, researchers analyzed a wide array of communication signals across 6 distinct groups: insects, firefly flashes, cricket chirps, amphibians, frog calls, birds, mating displays, fish, light and sound, pulses, crustaceans, mammals, vocalizations and gestures, including humans. The 2 Hz phenomenon. When the data was plotted, a clear pattern emerged. Despite massive differences in body weight spanning 8 orders of magnitude and inhabiting different environments like land, air, and sea, most species communicate within a narrow band of 0.5 to 4 Hz. This range includes human musical preferences. A significant portion of mainstream pop and rock music is set to roughly 120 beats per minute, which translates exactly to 2 beats per second. That rhythm fits our body, it fits our limbs, explains Amike. We walk roughly at 2 Hz, so it's easy for us to dance to music that's 2 Hz. Why this specific rhythm? The neural connection. If animals are physically capable of signaling at much higher frequencies, such as 10 Hz, why do they gravitate toward this specific, slow beat? The answer likely lies in the architecture of the brain. Biophysicists note that neurons require a certain amount of time to process information before they can fire again. This recovery period, the time needed for a neural circuit to reset, appears to align closely with a half-second interval. To investigate this, researchers used computer models to simulate neural circuits and tested how they responded to different pulse rates. The results were telling. The circuits showed the strongest response to the 2 Hz signal. This suggests that the tempo itself might not carry the complex message, the information, but rather serves as a biological baseline. Much like a drummer providing a steady beat for a band, this 2 Hz rhythm acts as a way to grab attention and establish a reliable channel, allowing the actual information, the melody, to be transmitted on top of it. Looking ahead, a shared wavelength. While the study is groundbreaking, researchers urge caution. The sample size, while diverse, represents only a tiny fraction of the millions of species on Earth. There is also the possibility of observation bias, where humans might simply be more likely to notice and record signals that fall within this familiar range. Nevertheless, the discovery points toward a deep, underlying connection in how life organizes itself. Whether it is a firefly in a forest or a human in a concert hall, we may all be tuned to the same fundamental frequency of life. Conclusion: the tendency for diverse species to communicate at roughly 2 Hz suggests that this rhythm is optimized for the way biological brains process information, serving as a universal carrier wave for life's many signals.